This is the life of a puzzle.
Oh.
Constantly when you put back, or take them apart and put back together.
Anyway, I got a stuffed crust with, what is this? Tomatoes, black olives, mushrooms, spinach, feta. I think that's it. And then I got these.
How are we?
With a Diet Coke. And can I also get the chili sauce with that too? Okay. Can we also get a blueberry cream pie? Okay. And cream pie. It's still hot.
That's really good. One bite. This is gonna take fucking forever to edit. It's 222 minutes right now. Oh my god. Good morning. This is what I'm wearing today. These shorts are from H&M. This shirt, my aunt made it. It says, when temperatures get too high, the elderly will start to die. I'm wearing a bra. I am. And then I have a tank top on underneath this, just in case it gets like really hot. And then I think I'm gonna wear my New Balances. Just because like we're probably gonna be doing a lot of walking today. There we go. Okay, I think I'm gonna get these pants. They're just like pajama pants, chickens on them. I want to get a sweatshirt, but like they're like $60. Like there's a reason we never came to places like this growing up on our trips here. I got a la boo boo.
Hold on. Ooh.
Oh my god. Look at its head. Oh my god.
Is it squishy?
Which one is this? Does it say on this?
That one.
Is it that one? Loyalty.
Cheers.
Oh yeah, it's loyalty. This is amazing.
Is his head squishy?
You're going on my first.
Yeah.
This man is just gonna be like, what is going on with this table you have?
Do you need some hail?
Chill. I've never had that. I think I'm hungry because the minute I looked at the menu and was like, not this, I almost cried. This tastes like a lot. I feel like
Hey, Poopy! I know. You're so cute. I know. Bless you. God. Hello. Get out. Good morning, everyone. I'm in the outhouse right now, so I can talk to you. I'm so tired. I actually slept so good last night. It's 10 o'clock, so I had to have gotten at least 8 hours last night. That's crazy. But we had so much fun last night, and then yes, we just watched the fireworks, and then drove back home, and I fucking passed out. And now I don't really know what we're doing today. We're not really doing anything. It's just kind of like each their own. Like, I think Kenzie wants to go to I don't remember what it's called, some national park around here, to go hiking. I don't. I want to sit here and read my book. I'm almost done with book 8 of the Ice Pine Barbarian series, and I don't know if I'm going to start the next one, or if maybe I'll start something else, because I did want to read Picking Peaches, or maybe I'll listen to Ninth House. I don't know, but I'm like 91% through book 8, so yeah. But I think right now I'm gonna go inside and eat my leftover chicken from yesterday. We went to Texas Roadhouse, so I have some leftover chicken to eat today. But yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do.
It's taking over, it's about time. Roller coaster of life. You've got to all choose your timeline with the roller coaster of life.
brush. Grab your brush.
Arlo, can you bring me your brush? Can you bring me your brush?
That's like the teaser.
That's just from TikTok, some random. It's a 2-part book. The story is Viola, a Jimmy John's delivery girl, discovers that she's destined to be Queen Mayo and faces a choice between 2 suitors, Lord Mayo and Lord Pickle.
We've been living in sin so long, all the feels are gone. Fella stopped me on the street last night.
I'll ask you to do that.
Danny
I
was doing
sleep
that to
with you.
Arlo all week. He'd go, Arlo, come here. Turn around and fart in his face.
Seems your meal ticket is gone, but life goes on. I could never imagine something that
Good morning, everyone. It's Sunday. We're leaving. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to like be in my own home and like sleep in my own bed. Yeah, we're leaving in like a couple hours. So oh my god. Okay. I gotta talk. I feel like I just had to get away from everyone for a minute. I feel like 3 days is our max. We should not be doing like 4-day weekends with each other. Like 2 or 3 days is like our max before we start like really hating each other. Like literally. Because we're all so much. And so when we're all together, we are all so much together. And like we are just, after like 2 days, we're just like annoying each other. My allergies are acting up a little bit. Yay. But also I feel like after like 2 days in the woods, I'm just like, can I go home? Can I go home? Like, I want to be in my own bed. I want to have running water. I want to take a bath. I want to be home now. Like, we're leaving in a couple hours, but like I just feel like after like 2 days, everyone's just like so ready to go home, you know? Like, I love you guys, but I want to go home. I want to go home and I want to shower and I want to sleep and I don't know, take my cat to the vet tomorrow. Like, I want to relax, dude. It's like, I feel like this is like a vacation, but it's not a vacation because I'm never relaxed. Like, my social battery is so drained. I just want to be alone. But then if I come over here to be alone, people are like, are you okay? I'm like, I just want to be alone. I just want to be alone. Like, I don't like being around like so many people constantly, so like this is just, it's a lot. I mean, literally 2 summers ago when I like went to my parents' place for the first time to like spend the entire summer there, literally after like my friends left, and it was like I think 3 days into that of like constantly being around people 24/7 after living on my own, I literally spent like, it was like day 4 or day 5, I spent just crying in bed. I was just laying in bed crying, and then my mom was like yelling at me about something, and then I was like, I hate you, and then like screaming at her and sobbing. And then I like slept for 12 hours and I woke up the next morning. I'm like, I don't know what was going on yesterday. I'm sorry. Like, I'm not built to like spend so much time with people. So, I don't know. See, so I have to like seclude myself for a little bit so that I don't say something that I don't actually mean. Like, oh my neck, oh my god. say I need to like be alone or like read my book and just like not talk to anyone for a little bit so that I don't be like, I hate you. Because I don't feel like that. Okay.
Up to you guys.
Okay.
Do you need us to stop with you?
There's not much we can do.
We'll stop.
We don't have room to take you guys.
Yeah, we don't have
We're
room
not
to
gonna be
take.
home till really late. Okay, do you guys want to stop?
I mean, we just.
I feel so bad just rolling by.
Hello, everybody.
Hi.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh my god.
What? Ow, Salem. That hurt. No. Wait, did I forget my alarm? No, I think it's actually outside. Never mind. Never mind, I'm good. Oh my god. Good morning, everyone. Yes, it is the next day. I did not film a single thing last night. Pretty much, I got home. Lauren and Jake dropped me off, and I, like, yeah, Lauren and Jake dropped me off. Got Culver's in Cambridge, and then we dropped off the camper at her dad's house in, I'm not telling you where he lives, and then yeah, they dropped me off. Anyway, I'm just gonna do this because he's sleeping. So yeah, so then they dropped me off and I got home, took a shower, and then was like, I am gonna lay down in bed and just kind of vibe, like, you know, just like exist, because I haven't been able to sleep on like a real bed in like since like Tuesday night. So I'm just like, let me just lay in bed for a little bit. And then next thing I know, I'm waking up at 1 a.m. Now, mind you, I fell asleep. I took a shower at like 5 o'clock. So I fell asleep around 6 ish and then woke up at 1 a.m. and then fell back asleep, and then woke up at like 7, I think. I fell asleep around like 3, and then woke up at 7. So yeah, I got like 10 hours of sleep last night. It's crazy. But this morning, we have to leave for Eric's vet appointment in about an hour-ish, I'd say. So my laundry's in the washer right now. So I'm gonna make my coffee and then switch it to the dryer and then make some breakfast probably. Oh, I just like zoned out there for a second. So I got this at a little antique shop in Barnum, I think. I don't know. But I'm gonna try putting my milk in it and see if that works. Also, I got this gigantic cup from an antique little thing. They have like 18 million tables out in front of the building of just like glassware and things. She just took his temp and weighed him. He is 13.3 pounds. You're a heifer, aren't you? You're a chunky little boy. But he's been doing like really good. Like he's just chilling. He's literally just chilling. Like he did not like having a thermometer stuck up his ass, but it's fine. Yeah, you're fine. He's like totally chill. So this is good. Yeah, but she's putting together his little meds, his little shots, and oh, he's good. Where you going? Where you going? Okay, hi guys. We are done at the vet. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. And someone did an amazing job at the vet. Someone was a very good boy who was told he was handsome no fewer than 20 times. No fewer than 20 times. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. So, we are now leaving Elk River. Thank God. Honestly, can't stand this place. People drive like they're fucking idiots. And like, I swear to God, everywhere I turned, I was like, every time I saw like a black SUV, I was like, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Like, and if it was a Jeep, I was like, sunglasses on, hat, like, don't even look at me. Like, I swear to God, hate it. But, River's not that bad. It's just not my favorite place to be. Not gonna lie, not my favorite place to be, especially when I'm hungry, because there's nowhere to eat. Like, so we finished up at his thing. You are expensive. We got his shots and we got like blood work drawn, and like, so we got his blood work done. We got full thing of shots. So we got, I don't remember what they were, but we got him a rabies shot and 1 or 2 other shots, and his blood work done. We got him weighed, all that shit, and it ended up being $330. $330. Are you, what? That's crazy. You're such an expensive date. Okay. So he's a little upset. He did the blood work well, but he did not like being restrained. Yeah, you did not like being restrained. No, you did not. So anyway, after we left the vet, he has another appointment on like I think it's the 25th. He has another appointment in a couple weeks where I have to bring him in at like 8 a.m. And I'm not sure, I don't think I'm gonna get the day off of work, actually, because Connor can pick him up. Like, maybe. I don't know. Maybe I will just get the whole day off, because, like, I have to drive down there and drop him off at, like, 8 a.m., and then he'll be there for a few hours, but I don't know what a few hours means, because if I work at 4 on that day, that'd be amazing. Like, maybe I can get someone to, like, switch shifts with me so I can close that night instead of being, like, having Connor to go pick him up or whatever, because it's going to take me, like, an hour to pick him up. But I don't know. Anyway, his next appointment to get neutered is going to be, like, she gave me an estimate, and it was like $560. Oh my god. Expensive. Especially considering I'm not gonna have any money. So Connor will be paying for that next one, and I will just pay him back when I get my paycheck at the end of the month. But yeah, after we went to the vet, we left the vet, and I got Subway, because it's literally the only thing to eat around here. Like, literally, if you don't want to, like, sit down in a restaurant, you have to go to, like, you have 3 options, basically. Okay, 4. You have 4 options. I have 4 options, because we don't have any food here. Like, McDonald's, fuck that, I'm not going to McDonald's. Because one of 2 things is gonna happen. I go to McDonald's, and first of all, I don't want McDonald's, but I go to McDonald's and no one fucking acknowledges my existence. Like, no one's like, oh, hey, how are you? No, because they don't give a shit about me. They never did. Or they're gonna be like, oh my god, so what went down? I'm like, oh, leave me alone. So McDonald's is out. I had Culver's yesterday, so Culver's is out. I really don't want Taco Bell, so that really just leaves, like, either, like, Subway, Chipotle, or, like, Panera. Panera is way too expensive these days. Holy fuck. I'm sorry, I don't want to spend $30 on a soup and a salad. So Panera is out. I do not like Chipotle. Like, I like Chipotle. I don't like going to Chipotle. And I like picking up Chipotle, but I do not like going through the line, because I don't know. It gives me anxiety. So Subway has a drive-thru. So I got Subway. I got a cherry Pepsi. Subway is, like, the last place ever where you can get cherry Pepsi in a drive-thru. Like, Culver's I used to get cherry Pepsi from Culver's. Ooh, that's a nice car. I used to get cherry Pepsi from Culver's, and then they, like, switched over to Coke products. What the fuck? Fucking losers. So now I can only get cherry Pepsi in the drive-thru from Subway. So I got that, and then I got a bag of the jalapeno chips, and I got a wrap. It's what's in the wrap? It's a turkey wrap with, what is it called? It's the pepper jack. I got a turkey wrap with pepper jack, black olives, pickles, tomatoes, onions, lettuce, and mayo. I'm gonna eat that right now. And then the chips I got are just, like, the Miss Vicky's jalapeno ones. I'm actually gonna eat those right now. I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten anything today because I lost track of time. I woke up at, like, 7:30, and then I had to do my laundry, and I was just, like, super out of it when I woke up. So yeah, I wasn't able to eat anything, so I'm fucking starving. Is someone gonna go? Thank you, sir. Oh God, if it was just me, if I didn't have Eric with me, I would totally go on Main Street. Totally go to that little park right there. They just have like a little it's like a gazebo area with like little little water spouts for little kids to play in. And then like shit. Yeah, but it's like right on the river. So there is now, oh my God, the cap just like came off of this. Fuck. Yeah, but if I didn't have Eric with me, I totally would have pulled over there and like gone and eaten by the river. That sounds nice. You know what? Why did I open these chips? Fuck. Because I think I'm gonna go home, drop him off, let him sleep, and then go like to the park or like to the beach or something and go, because I have the rest of the day to myself. Like, I don't have to do anything else today. Like, I should clean, but like I don't have to. Like, it's my summer. I should be able to do what I want with it, you know? Like, I have the day off. It's only 12:38. I wasn't expecting to get home until like 2 o'clock. And now I'm probably gonna get home at 1. So, like, I have the rest of the day to do whatever I want. As long as I don't spend money. So, I think I might just eat my chips. And then my drink. Go home. And I'm gonna drop off Eric and I might go to the park. I might go to the park and just like eat on the grass. Oh my God. Okay. I've just been cleaning all day. It's 5:30 almost. But Lauren called me while I was cleaning, so I was like, I couldn't really record. But I put my laundry away. I cleaned the bathroom. I still have to sweep and mop, but I did everything else. I vacuumed my room. I cleaned up the little area next to my bed. And now I'm gonna watch season 3, episode 1 of the group chat. Woohoo! This girl on TikTok, Sydney Joe, I love her. She does like these skits. It's called the group chat. And okay. It's called the group chat. And we're on season 3 now. And I need to know what's happening. Like, these people aren't real. This isn't like, this is a skit that she does. She plays every character. But like, I'm obsessed and I need to know why. Oh my God, what are their names? I need to know why they're mad at each other. Like,
Well, this should be a fun dinner.
Bachelorette Day 1.
It's Haley. We're here in Costa Rica for my best friend Julia's bachelorette. Jess is over here having a mimosa.
Hi. Okay, grumpy pants. Can you be just a little more enthusiastic? This trip, because I'm not the bride. You know what I mean? I really think it's fun.
Okay, I know we said we weren't going to use the side chat without Haley on this trip, but her outfit looks like a Got Milk ad. Okay, what does that mean? It's like a...
But it's really just how when you place the gradients. You know, you can see red, you can see orange, you know. While a lot of people can see that, they just see gradient between red and yellow.
Rainbow.
And then you see green, then there's a little bit of blue there. Indigo is more of a bluish color.
Hi guys. I just got some news. Some pretty cool news. I can't tell anyone though because it's not my news. It's someone else's news that I just found out. And it's really exciting. Don't worry, I won't tell anyone. I literally cannot tell anyone. So, but just that I tell you I have some news. Like, I'm not even gonna tell Connor. just did yoga. And then I made my breakfast and I made my coffee. And I got to use my little cow mug today. And it's the perfect amount of milk. I love it. I was thinking it was going to be way too small, but it's like the perfect size because I don't need a lot of milk because the ice kind of evens everything out. That's really good. I put because I usually do like caramel, vanilla, or pumpkin spice, and then like brown sugar. And today I did honey because Connor bought honey. Well, I was gone, but not milk. I don't, whatever. So I put honey, a little bit of French vanilla, and cinnamon, and it's really good. Yeah, that's really all from me this week. Hopefully what I got this week, like footage wise, was good. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah. Have a good day. I'll see you next week. Bye.